This session is for OCR FP1. The topic is matrices, and we're going to be looking at June 2011 question 1. So if you just have a quick look at what question's asking us to do. So we're given two matrices, two 2x2 matrices, A and B. We're told that I denotes the identity matrix, and we're asked in part 1 to add A plus 3B minus 4 times the identity matrix, and in part 2 we're asked to find the product matrix AB. So let's just check in part 1 what we're doing. So we have the matrix A, 2 little a, 0, 1, and we're going to add on 3 lots of B, which is 2a, 4, 1, and subtract from that 4 times the identity matrix. Now the identity matrix is the matrix 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So if we do that, then just very carefully remembering that we can add or subtract matrices as long as they have the same number of rows and columns, and then we just take each respective element. So we have a 2 here and a 6 take away a 4, so 2 plus 6 minus 4 is going to give us 4, and then a plus 3a is 4a minus 0, so we have a 4a there. And now going into the second row and looking at corresponding entries, we have a 0 and a 12 minus 0, so that gives us 12, and we have a 1 plus 3, which is 4, take away 4, which is 0. So there were 3 marks for that question. You got 1 mark here for multiplying by 3 correctly, and you got 1 mark for getting 2 of these correct, and the 3rd mark for getting all 4 correct. And then in part 2 we're asked to find the product matrix AB, 2a, 0, 1, and remember when we're doing this it's very important that we write them down in the order that they're given, because remember the order in which we multiply matrices is important. So we multiply 2 times 2 plus a times 4, so it's rows into columns and add. So 2 times 2 plus a times 4 is 4 plus 4a. So we then have the first row into the second column will be 2 times a plus a times 1, which is 2a plus a, which is 3a, and then we're multiplying the second row into the first column, so 0 times 2 plus 1 times 4, and 0 times a plus 1 times 1. So again, fairly straightforward, and you get 2 marks for that question, so 1 mark for any sensible attempt at matrix multiplication, and an accuracy mark for getting it all correct. So 2 marks here and 3 marks for that first one. So don't forget there are plenty more revision videos available if you go to the Further Maths Support Programme website and follow the link.